This will probably be a bit confusing. The screen I'm showing right now is the remote VNC access to one of the two Raspberry Pi computers that is currently logged into Mumble and sending code. And it's also running a Python script that has opened the serial port, and characters from the keyer are being sent to the Raspberry Pi. So the Raspberry Pi is sending audio to Mumble, but it's sending characters as they are being transmitted back to the keyer is sending characters back to the Raspberry Pi, and they're being displayed here. And the CW that is heard in this recording is actually being received on my main login. You can see that I am logged in from my normal login to CW Room 1. So the code is being received and displayed there. This program is running on the Mac Mini desktop computer, so it has another keyer that's the one I normally use for operation, and it is decoding the CW that's being sent by the Raspberry Pi. So it's very confusing, even just for me, to try to keep track of all of this. There's one other Raspberry Pi on this computer, remotely accessed, so this is a second Raspberry Pi which is not doing anything. It's just been running for the same amount of time. I'm going to switch back to the first Raspberry Pi. So where are we? I don't know. Let me find another terminal here. So the uptime on this one should be the same as the last one, because they would have both been started around the same time. So it's kind of interesting that this Raspberry Pi is sitting here. It's been logged in for the uptime for the 16 days. The Mumble has been running for 2 days now, and you can see the packet loss counts. So the network connection is very good. There have only been 81 lost packets going from the Raspberry Pi to the server in Texas, and 0 lost packets coming back, but very little traffic is coming back. You can see that the packets coming to the client are much fewer than those coming from the client, going from the client to the server, because the client is sending the audio to the server. The only thing coming back to the client is the housekeeping TCP traffic, which is a few packets, I guess, every 6 seconds, I think. So I think that's probably plenty long enough for this video, and I will stop it.